Hey guys, I just want to show you all. I've been pretty busy this year. I've got a couple projects going on. This is my do-it-yourself project on my patio walls. Working on them. I put chicken wire on the plywood to help with tying in the rock, hoping that'll make it a little stronger. My little wall will go in there. I've got a mess. But that's one project I've been working on. Rock laying. And then I've also been trying to restore a camper we bought. So let me take you inside and let you see a little bit of that. That's been pretty messy, pretty rough. Got the floor replaced. Got that all done. Getting ready for the flooring. We did the walls, redid them. I don't know, you can't hardly see them too good, but put up some wallpaper. Took some flooring from Family Dollar, cheap flooring, put in and made an accent wall. Buy as cheap as I can. Some sticky towels around the stove and the sink. Still got the bathroom to go. But it's coming together pretty good. Hopefully get everything done up before too long. Get back to some of my videos, regular videos on my page. But anyway, that's what I've been into here lately. Trying to get caught up on some stuff, and ain't had much time for four-wheeling or anything else as far as that goes. But there it is in a nutshell, everybody. Pretty busy. Pretty busy, pretty rough. Thank you guys for watching.